Hi, in the previous lecture we've just created our virtual environment, we've created our Django project, and we've run the server and created the super user for our project. Now let's run our server, okay, and let's open Chrome. This is the admin panel of our project, and this is the local host. Okay, now the time that we will create our project, our app, sorry. I'll type Python manage.py start app and I'll call this app meals. This app will handle the meals for the project. We will create a project for a restaurant which you can see all meals, one meal, order a meal and so on. Okay. And let's run the server again. But first let's open this project in the VS Code. I'll use VS Code for this project. You can use Atom or Sublime or whatever any editor you want. Okay. Now we have the project folder. This is the main folder for our project, and we have the meals folder. This or the meals app. This folder contains all the files for our project or for our app. We have the views, we have models, we have admin.py, and so on. This lecture we will start by adding the models. But first, when you create a project or app, when you create app, you have to add this app to the installed apps on the settings. So we will go to the installed apps, and here we will add meals, just like this, okay? So that Python can see or Django can see this project or this app. Now let's create a model. I'll create a class. I'll call it meals. This class will inherit from models.model, okay? And first we have, for the meals, we have the name of the meal. This is, let's type it. This is a car field or a character field which contains the name of the meal. Let's give it max length equal to, and we will say 50. And we have a description. The description equal to models.text field, okay, with max length equal to 500. And we have the people, this meal, for how many people will eat this meal. Well, this meal will be enough for how many people, okay? This is a number, so we will say integer field. Okay. And we have also the price of this meal. This is a decimal field. Okay. And let's give it the max digits. Or let's make it 5, yeah. And we have also the preparation time. The time this meal will take to be prepared. This is, let's say, a decimal or a float field. This make it an integer field. Models.integer field. This F letter is capital actually. And we have the image for this meal. This is an image field. Let's give it this parameter upload to equal meals slash. Okay. Now we've just created the main class or the main table for our meals. We have the meal name, the meal description, how many people this meal will be enough for, the price, the preparation time, and the image. I think this is enough for now. Okay, now let's run make migration so that we can create a table for this meals. I'll type Python manage.py make migrations. We have some error. First of all, we got an expected keyword max length. Yeah, this is th, not ht. Okay, let's save it. Yeah, clear the screen. Make migration. We got Django.db models has no attribute integer field. Yeah, this is like this field. Okay, let's run the command again. We've got another error. Meals.means.image cannot use image field because blue is not installed. Hint, get blue from this URL or hit pip install blue. Let's type this command just like this. Blue is a library in Python used for treating with images, and Django uses it so that you can create an image field and so on. Now we have blue already installed. Let's clear the screen. Let's run the make migration again, and we get another error. Decimal field must define a decimal places. How many decimal places you need? So we will give it to like 2. Okay, let's clear this, run the make migration again. Here we are, we just created the first migration, create model meals, and this migration is created in the migrations folder /001 initial.py. Let's open this file. This is our first migration, a table with name of meals, a name, a description, people, price, preparation time, and image fields. And Django created the ID field. This is the ID for our model, and Django created it with no need for your interaction. But if you created any primary key field, Django will remove this field. Okay, now it's time that we create this table in our database. So I'll type Python manage.py migrate so that Django apply this migration to our database. Now we've just created our meals app or model. Let's run the server. Yeah, just like this. And let's open our admin.py. Now refresh the page. There is nothing. Because when you create a new app, first you add this app to the settings.py. That's okay. And then when you create a new model, you have to add this model to the admin.py file. So here I'll type from .models import meals. And then I'll type admin the site.register this meals app or meals model. Now let's refresh our app and we have meals. Okay, there is an error in the plural of the word meal, but we will fix this error. But first let's add a meal. Name of the meal, let's type pasta, and this is the pasta meal. And how many people this meal will be for? Let's say 2 people. The price, let's say $50, and the preparation time, let's say 20 minutes. The image for this meal, let's open Google Images and get a picture for this meal. Yeah, let's get a good one just like this. Yeah, save image as. I'll save it in the downloads, and here let's upload it from downloads. This is image. Okay, hit save. Here we are. This is our first meal, but we have this meal object. We need the name of the meal to be shown in the list view. So here we will define an str method for this, which will return self.name. This is the name of the meal. Now let's refresh. We have this, the pasta meal. Okay. So now we need to make this. Now we've just created our meal model and we added this model to our triangle admin, and we just created our first meal. In the next lecture we will continue adding some new features to our project, and see you next lecture.